Good day, grade 10. This is your revision for chapter 1, day 3, worksheet 3. Not worksheet 1, but worksheet 3. And this is about factorization. Factorize the following completely, says the question. So, number 1 is 3x squared minus 27. Okay, the first step for factorization is always to take out a common factor. The common factor here is 3. So it's going to be 3x squared minus 9. Remember, when I take out a common factor, I have to divide each term with that factor. So when I divide the first term with 3, I get x squared, and negative 27 divided by 3 is negative 9. Now, the 3 stays right there, but this part in brackets is the difference of two squares. So it can factorize again. Bracket x minus 3, x plus 3. That's your 2 marks that you'll get there. Number 2, x plus y in brackets squared minus 1. This part that I highlighted is the first term. So this is 2 terms and it's the difference between 2 squares. So I'm going to use block brackets. It's going to be x plus y minus 1 and x plus y plus 1. Then I have to simplify a little bit to get rid of all the brackets. So it's going to be x plus y minus 1 in the one bracket and then x plus y plus 1 in the other. Number 3, a to the power 3b minus ab to the power 3. The first step of factorization is always to take out a common factor. So when I take out a common factor, I take the lowest power of each variable. So it's going to be the lowest power of each letter. The lowest power of A is just A, and the lowest power of B is B. So it's going to be AB, the common factor. So it's going to be A squared minus B squared. That second part in brackets is again difference between 2 squares. So it's going to be bracket A minus B, bracket A plus B. Number 4, 2x squared y minus 18y to the power 3. First step of factorization, take out a common factor. The common factor is 2y. So it's going to be x squared minus 9y squared in the bracket. That bracket is again a difference between 2 squares. So I leave the common factor 2y there. Then I factorize the bracket. X minus 3y, x plus 3y. And those are the marks that you get for it. Then number 5, 24a to the power 3b squared minus 12a squared b to the power 3 plus 4ab squared. Here I have to take out a common factor first. The common factor will be 4ab squared. Then I'm left in the bracket with 6a squared minus 3ab plus 1. Number 6, 4a to the power 6 plus 100. First I have to take out a common factor. So it's going to be 4 as a common factor. Then I'm left with a to the power 6 plus 25. There's nothing more that I can do there. So that's it for day 3. Please remember that your teacher's email address is on the website if you have any questions.